Hello, that's my bike check. Premium Broadway 2011 frame, Odyssey white left-hand drive 12-bolt cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, proper purple sprocket, KMC rainbow chain, proper back wheel with a proper K7 hub, proper hub guard, salt pegs, Sputnik bottom bracket which is shit, BSD pivotal smoke dog seat, BSD pivotal post, proper seat clamp, get the vocal headset, quite shit, get the BSD stem, you get the Cult Death Row bars, Cult D-Hard grips, SC bar ends, Amber Lexicon forks, Demolition momentum tyres, and that's about it. That's my bike check.